Very good morning, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, chapter 3, and we understood about so many things, the differences between regular and irregular figures, what is quadrilateral, how quadrilateral is different from triangles and all other polygons. These things we understood in the previous video. So children, today in this video I'm gonna discuss about some very useful and very interesting things. Children, let me draw a figure. This is three-sided polygon. Name of this figure is triangle. Name of this figure is quadrilateral, or we can say rectangle. This is a four-sided polygon. Four-sided polygon. Polygons means the figures which is a closed shape figure and made up of all line segments. Suppose children, I drew a figure like this. So in this figure, as we all can see, all the sides are of line segments. Okay, so this is a polygon and it's a closed figure as well. If I draw a figure like this is not a polygon because it's a closed shape. That is okay, but it's not a line segment. There is a curve or bent lines. So this is not a polygon. Okay children, so I have already explained about these things in the previous video. Now here we are going to understand something new. I drew one triangle over here, and triangle and quadrilateral. Let me draw one pentagon also, a five-sided polygon. All they have what? Interior angles. These are all interior angles. These angles are interior angles. What is the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle? We know that is 180 degree. We have been learning it, or it's known to us right from class 5. But children, as we are studying class 8, so we need to know the actual formula. Okay, how to find the total sum of all the angles of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle. The formula is, let me clean up this space a bit. The formula is number of sides minus 2 into 180. Children, the formula is number of sides minus 2 into 180. Acha, in triangle how many sides are there? There are 3 sides. Minus 2 into 180 as per the formula. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 results 180 degree only. Yes or no children? Yes. Suppose I'm talking about a quadrilateral. We know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. So here are the interior angles. Yes children, sum of all the interior angles will be resulting 360 degree. That we know right from class 5. But now we will be applying the formula to check whether what we have learned in junior classes, whether it's right or wrong. Formula is number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so here the number of sides are 4 minus 2 into 180. So 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180 degree, resulting 360 degree. Matlab sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Alright, now children, let's talk about a hexagon. Okay, let's talk about hexagon. We can consider any figure, but I prefer to talk about hexagon now. So as there are 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 into 180. So 6 minus 2 is 4 into 180 is 720 degree. Sum of all the angles of a hexagon. Now children, So here the questions are, what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with the number of sides 7? No problem. We just simply apply the formula 7 minus 2 into 180. Next question, 8 minus 2, 180. In order to get the sum of all the angles, interior angles, 10 minus 2 into 180. Next is n minus 2 into 180, like that. As n means as we don't know the number of sides. So children, this is how we have to deal with such kind of questions. Now there is something which is pretty understanding. State the name of the regular polygon. Children, we need to understand what is the difference between regular polygon and irregular polygon. Suppose children, I am talking about a triangle. Okay, a triangle with all three sides are of equal measures. Suppose this side and this sides measure same. This angle and this angle measure same. So this is not a simple triangle, it is regular polygon or regular triangle. Okay, suppose children, I drew one pentagon. Suppose this side, and this sides, all 5 sides are same, and all 5 interangles are also measuring same. So this is called regular pentagon. Regular means all the sides and all the angles are measuring same, are called regular figures. Irregular figures are like, it can be of any measures, like, suppose I'm drawing pentagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a irregular polygon or irregular pentagon. Okay children, so I believe it's clear to everybody what is regular and what is irregular figure. Now we are going to talk about something. 3-sided regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Means all 3 sides and all 3 angles are same. Equilateral triangle. 4 sides, all 4 sides same, and all 4 angles are same. Square. Okay, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 sides are same and all 6 angles are same. That is called regular hexagon. So I believe it's clear to everybody. If no, then please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. I'll be surely explaining these things to you all, and you will be surely doing these things on your copy, white copy to be used. Figures must be drawn using pencils and ruler, and submission must be done in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.